In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Ecwid, a fantastic online platform that enables users to purchase products from a wide range of stores. Whether you're new to online shopping or just new to Ecwid, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll be navigating and buying with ease. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and go to ecwid.com. This website is the gateway to numerous online stores filled with a variety of products, so it's a great starting point. Once the web page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you to the next step of the process. Upon reaching the login page, you'll see different options for signing in. For a quick and seamless experience, we recommend clicking on Sign In with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account to access Ecwid, eliminating the need for remembering additional passwords, so go ahead and click that option. After selecting to sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have more than one, select the account you prefer for shopping or the one you usually use for online transactions. Once you're signed in successfully, you'll be directed to the Ecwid control panel. This dashboard is your command center on Ecwid. It's where you can manage your profile, view your wish list, and, most importantly, access stores. To access a specific store, you'll need to click on your store link from the dashboard. Every user has a unique link to the storefronts they frequently visit or manage. If this is your first time, don't worry. Ecwid makes it easy to browse and discover new stores. Now, let's get to the exciting part, selecting a product. Once you're in a store, take your time to browse through the products. When something catches your eye, click on it to get more details. This action will lead you to the product's individual page, where you can see more pictures, read descriptions and reviews, and finally, make the decision to buy. If you decide to purchase the product, the next step is to click on Go to Checkout. This button is your gateway to finalizing your purchase. It will take you to a page where you can review your shopping cart, make any last-minute changes, or continue browsing if you've changed your mind. When you're ready to proceed, look for the Checkout button, usually located near the total price of your items. Clicking this will take you to the final step of the process, placing your order. Here you'll be asked to provide shipping and payment information. Ecwid uses a secure checkout process so you can enter your details confidently. Finally, after you've entered your information and you're sure everything in your cart is exactly what you want, it's time to click Place Order. This is the final step in the buying process on Ecwid. Once you've clicked this, your order is confirmed, and all you need to do is wait for your purchase to arrive. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through Ecwid, selected a product, and made a purchase. The convenience and variety Ecwid offers make it a fantastic choice for both experienced and novice online shoppers. Remember, the key is to take your time browsing through the stores and products. Ecwid's wide range of items means there's something for everyone, so enjoy the process of discovering new products. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Whether you're decorating your home, looking for the perfect gift, or treating yourself, Ecwid makes it easy and enjoyable to shop online. Happy shopping and see you in our next video.